Let us start by looking at the structure of the GIT wall. The gastrointestinal tract has 4 layers, and one of the layers is known as the mucosa. The mucosa is the innermost layer, or the layer which faces the lumen, and is divided into 3 layers. And it's divided into epithelium, the lamina propria, and the muscularis mucosa. The epithelium of the mucosa is a protective barrier and the site of secretion and selective absorption of food. This epithelium type varies from the region to region depending on the function along the GIT. At areas which have more likelihood of friction and injury, the epithelium is a non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium, for example in the mouth, the pharynx, esophagus, and the rectum. In the other areas of secretion and absorption, the epithelium is a simple columnar or cuboidal epithelium. In between the cuboidal cells, we have the scattered exocrine and endocrine glands. The next layer of the mucosa is the lamina propria. The lamina propria acts as a supportive connective tissue into the GIT wall. And lastly, we have the muscularis mucosa, which is a thin layer of smooth muscle. The second layer of the GIT wall is the submucosa. The submucosa is a strong and highly vascular layer of the connective tissue. It consists of the collagen, elastin, glands, blood vessels, nerves, and some mucous plexus of the autonomic nervous system. Then we have the muscularis externa, which consists of the inner muscular and outer longitudinal layers, which is a partial oblique layer present only in the stomach. And in between the muscles of the muscularis externa, we have another autonomic plexus known as myenteric plexus. The muscularis externa layer is the one that provides motility for the gastrointestinal tract. The externocervix is the serosa or the adventitia. Depends on its position within the body, and this layer faces the blood and forms a posterior mesentery.